Guys, today we will be going on a Minecraft adventure. This is a survival world and
Watch out for the cactus!
yeah, I don't care. And I will be joined by Henry.
You don't need like names and details, Aaron.
Well, I can say your name. I can say your name.
I know. But anyway, so basically we've been kind of wanting to do this for quite some time now. And I've been trying to change my skin and stuff on Minecraft and it just hasn't worked. So yeah. Oh, get out of my way! So Aaron, we should probably like build a shelter before midnight, if I'm honest.
You know Stubby Longnose, who became like
A millionaire!
thanks to Minecraft. How would you feel if you got added to his love garden?
Pretty badass.
I would feel pretty damn special.
I would probably go out and buy a bottle of champagne. Die, sheep!
Me too.
People who like...
Stop shouting, guys!
I'm not shouting.
Sorry.
Erin, you're shouting there.
That is just one of our friends called Harriet.
In the office.
Don't care.
So basically,
guys,
our Minecraft history, well, mine's like brilliant. And to prove it, I'm gonna dance.
You know they can't actually see you if you're.
Yeah, I know. Hang on. Aaron, look at me, look at me, look at me. Wait, Aaron. I hope you like music, but partly because we just put some songs on. So yeah, we're now gonna go and build our house and do stuff. Aaron, come and swim out today, would you?
I'm just crafting.
Aaron, don't do like that.
Oh, got it.
Aaron, don't do shit like that.
Oh, why am I just constantly placing one as soon as I get rid of that? Okay, come on. We need to go to the crafting table and craft us a
Why don't we build a bloody shelter? It was so peaceful as well.
Yeah, I know.
Which is good. And you have spiders.
Yep.
So this video is only going to be short because she's on like low battery. So what we're probably going to get covered today is like the basing of our house.
Yep. Craft.
So this game